Yo, what's up, D-Gens? What's going on, guys? So, Onyx coin is at it again. Melting faces. Here's me face, all melted up and stuff. Here we go again, you guys. We only consolidated for 3 days, 2.5. And here we go again. Absolutely, look at that. Just keeps going, baby. What are we up right now? On the day, we're up 40% on the day so far. Fantastic, man. Fantastic. We're going to sit here and we're going to watch our portfolios break out. Because that's what we do on this channel, right? We watch our portfolios smash all-time highs, baby. Absolutely. Oh, man. You love to see it, guys. You love to see it. You guys, you know what? You guys deserve it. You guys deserve it. You've been buying into XCN when it was, a year ago with me through the whole year. Even those of you who got in with me a couple of months ago, you guys deserve it, man. This is what it's all about, right? This is what it's all about, guys. I love it. All right, let's get into the chat a little bit, see what everybody's talking about in here. Scroll all the way back up to the top here. You guys are chatterboxes. Kevin, what's up, buddy? Good evening from Lakeland, Florida. Florida in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Green tea. Green tea. I got you. I got you. I got my green tea. What's going on? Sam, what's up, you sexy bastards? Nice. Sweet tweet. Good evening. What's going on? What's going on? Angelo's in the house. Dude, DCA moving again. Yes. Melting faces again. David with a Y, XCN to the moon. Guys, as always, make sure that you're smashing the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Costs you absolutely nothing. And, I mean, listen, I'll love you forever, right? I will love you forever if you do that for me. And forever, that's a long-ass time to be loved, right? So, I mean, come on. Okay, what else do we have? Heinz, what's up, buddy? Let's get to 5 cents by tonight. You know what? At this rate, it might happen, right? Peter, welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome to the family. Awesome to have you, my friend. Awesome to have you. GT, Rob, I'm fed up with Economic Ninja, and he reminds me of BitBoy. And on top of that, he can't claim ignorance. He has been here since the last run. Yeah, there's always going to be all kinds of different types of content creators is what I'll say about that, right? Some people are in it for community, like I am. Some people are in it just to make money, which is a factor for everyone. I'm not going to lie. Other people are here for ego and pride. And some people like to just lie. Like this isn't directed at Economic Ninja. Some people like to lie and, to pump their own tires in front of people and say they knew about everything before it happens. Like that's more of a BitBoy type thing, right? Like, I knew everything before it happened because I have inside people in the White House. Sure you do, buddy. Right? There is all those kind of people out there. I get what you're saying. I get frustrated sometimes as well with some people. No one specific, but with some people. And it just kind of comes with the territory, right? Balaclava man, what's up, buddy? XCN got me. Not going to lie. Hell yeah, man. William, what's up, buddy? XCN, just the beginning, folks. Absolutely, man. We are just getting started, you guys. And listen, I put it, I don't know if you guys saw it over on the Patreon, but I put it in the chat today, about 2 hours ago. I do have another gem I will be dropping next week, a couple days from now, over on the Patreon that's going to do very, very well, guys. So you're going to want to get in early on this play. It's going to do something similar to what XCN's doing right now. All things in time, guys. This is going to be fantastic. I'm jacked up about it. And I'm already stuffing my bags. I'm going to let you guys know what it is in a couple of days. I'm just finishing up a little bit of research, confirming a couple of things. So don't miss out on it, guys. I see a lot of people tell me, they say, man, I wish I got an XCN when it was like 2012 when you guys were buying it. Here's your chance to get in on the next one. Beebs, hello, Rob, and future millionaires. Beebs in the house. What's up, buddy? What do we got? I hope it will do the same for Swift. Oh yeah, Swift's already trying to do the same thing. So Swift is gonna, when Swift breaks 2 cents, 2 cents 6, it's gonna blow people's minds, right? It's gonna blow people's minds, dude. I'm telling you, because it goes into price discovery mode. You know what? Let's have a look at the Swift chart as well. Let's look at Swift as well, because Swift had a good day yesterday, but it's kind of retraced a little bit here. But what's important, guys, with this minor little retrace, right? I'm going to show you something over on the chart here that you're gonna like. You're gonna like it. Okay, check this out. So here's the thing with Swift. Let me just pull the chart up here for you guys. Here's the thing with Swift. So Swift, look at, had to break out of the bull pennant, right? We broke out. We broke above my target. We broke all the way. We broke all the way over 1 cent 8, right? And then we came back down because obviously selling pressure, resistance, right? So now we're down here at 1 cent 26. But what I want you to take note of on this retrace, guys, is that what we're doing at the end of the day is the exact same thing that XCN has been doing. What are we doing? We're putting in a level of support right now. We are consolidating in another bull pennant right here. Look at that, right? Bull pennant, breakout, bull pennant. We might consolidate here for a day or two, maybe a week. We may consolidate in this area here for a week, right? So look at this structure that we have right in front of us right now. Now, let's go have a look at Onyx Coin's chart. Look familiar? Bull pennant, breakout, consolidation, breakout. Started way down here. If I zoom, oh damn it, I moved my, anyway. If I zoom out here, it actually started down here with this bull pennant. If you remember, right? We consolidated inside this bull pennant. What happened? Boom, breakout, massive breakout to the upside. Look at that. Look at that. Made me pregnant. Made me pregnant, that move up, right? And then what happened? Then we zoom out. What happened? Boom, consolidation after that move. Breakout, consolidation, breakout, right? Exactly what's happening on the Swift chart right now. So yes, Swift is just a little delayed on what's happening with Onyx Coin, but it's right behind XCN's price action. So Holmes, what's up, buddy? Crypto Renaissance, everyone here are future millionaires. Yes, guys, you're not broke. You're pre-rich. Remember that, right? You are pre-rich, especially if you're accumulating these gems early, guys. Here's the thing, guys. Here's one of the perks of XCM, because I always say that you should never marry your bags, right? You should never marry your bags. A lot of people who got in on XCN early with me over a year ago and over the last year, right? A lot of them took profits. And what ended up happening is, instead of having like 10, 15 grand total for the whole bull run, now they ran into 6 figures. They took the profits, and they've now been able to redistribute those 6-figure profits into a few other coins, right? That's what we do, man. That's what we do. And now they're getting another gem dropped on them over on the Patreon in a couple of days, right? You're going to want to get in on this boat, guys. You're going to want to get in. Crypto Renaissance, absolutely. Crypto Future is amazing. I've been watching since 2023. Has it been that long already, Renaissance? That's crazy. I've loved having you here, man. I've loved having you here, my friend. Absolutely. Alex, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. GT, and that sad thing is over 3,500 folks were on his live stream earlier today, and hope these folks don't become bag holders or lose out on the, yeah. Well, that's the thing, right? That's the thing. It happens, and it's unfortunate. I can't save everybody, right? I can't save everybody. I can only save you guys. People who don't subscribe, who are not following me, if they, I can't save them, right? I'd like to, but they're going to get wrecked by other content creators, feeding them misinformation. Squirt Reynolds, what's up, buddy? XCN scaring me. I'm afraid of it's moving too fast. The velocity is making me sick. How come some names are green? Those are channel members, YouTube channel members. Living in Central Florida, what's up, buddy? Yeah, it is moving very fast. Look at Hedera. Is Hedera moving too? Is H-bar having a move? H-bar is only up 1.9%, man. You tripping, man. You tripping. Greg, hey all from down under. What's going on, man? What's going on? In 30 days, 30 cents. Oh, you're talking about the past movement H-bar. I see what you're saying. David with a Y in the house, man. SoFlo Rick, what's up, buddy? Everyone pants off. XCN is on fire. Rob, I'm willing to call BS on Economic Ninja. Any chance you could reach out to Chain and see if they would do a Q&A? I could, yeah. I could reach out and see what they say. Considering I was the primary channel covering their project. I remember when we first started covering XCN over a year ago, they were letting us know. They were letting us know over on the Telegram that how much they appreciated the fact that we were the only channel talking about them. I remember it all. They were going nuts over it. Everyone was always, excited and thanking me for being the only one talking about it and stuff. And that's not for my own ego. That's fine. What I care about, I don't care about being first to talk about a project. I really, really don't. What I care about most, guys, is getting you guys into the projects early. What I care about is the 3 people yesterday who told me that they were able to buy vehicles for their families, brand new vehicles, because of this play that I got them into. What's important to me is the multitude of people who've now messaged me privately over on the Patreon who've now hit 7-figure portfolios or high 6 figures because I helped them do it, right? That's what's important to me. That's what's important. Thank you so much, E, for the super sticker. I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate you. The support for the channel, guys, always means everything. You guys know that. You guys know I love you. You know how much I appreciate it. Absolutely wild stuff going on right now. Yes, market's crazy. The market is acting crazy. What is with the Bitcoin maxis attacking XRP community lately? Isn't that messed up? Why is, tell me you feel threatened without telling me you feel threatened. You know what I'm saying? What's going on, man? Here at work watching my portfolio go up. That's fun, man. Just sitting there looking at your boss, considering telling him that you quit, eh? Shay boy, what's going on, buddy? C. Allen, what's up, man? Let's go, baby. XCN is number 93. Did we move up to 93 on the market cap? We have broken the top 100 in market cap, guys. We have broken the top 100. We went from rank 550 2 weeks ago to the top 100. We are officially over a $1 billion market cap on XCN. We are at $1.05 billion. We got into this project, guys. Most of you know, we got into this project when it was a $25 million market cap. Now it is a $1.05 billion market cap. If you're not over on the Patreon, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Way of the Taco, kicking off the super chats. Appreciate you, Robinator. You're dropping so much content. It's hitting hard. We're hitting harder than 10 DMX songs up in here. X gonna give it to you, right? So absolutely, man. Be honest, I'm very, very tired, but I'm here, guys. I'm here. I know that the live stream we did earlier, the JASMY Roundtable, absolutely love that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I love bringing the guys on the channel and, getting you guys other opinions other than just myself, right? So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And, it was a good time. I think I lost my spot here. Where was I? Sorry, guys. I just got to find my spot again. Oh, here we are. More than Rob's 28-inch pythons. Brother. I'll rip, no dip. I'll take it. I'll take it. Who's Economic Ninja? He's a YouTuber. Shout out to all the mods for promoting XCN. Yes, exactly. We have some hard working mods on this channel. Absolutely, man. XCN to the moon, 100%, man, 100%. SoFlo Rick, the man, the myth, the legend, the Rob Father. That's right, brother. They call me Future. XCN is definitely catching eyeballs, especially since, yes. I wonder if what's his face started tweeting about it yet or anything. Kello, what's up, man? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, my friend. Studio Tech in the house. Burn is coming, guys. An XCN burn is coming? Where did you... Oh, wait. Actually, you know what? I actually have that queued up. Check it out, guys. Breaking news. Studio Tech dropping the alpha on us. The Onyx DAO is looking for feedback on the community burn initiative monthly. The DAO would analyze the burn wallet with AI and randomly choose a burn wallet skewed by its token burn, and OIP would then grant directly to the chosen wallet 10 grand in XCN. So they're talking about burning, starting to send tokens to a burn wallet, guys. Studio Tech, thank you for pointing it out, my friend. Check it out, guys. How do you, let me know in the chat, how do you feel about XCN burning tokens? Let's bring that supply down from 48 billion. That's going to be epic, man. That's going to be epic. Thank you so much, my friend. I guess I messed up the first one. What is Echo Ninja all about? It seems like he wants to help, but leading things on because of wait for the next thing. Yeah, here's the thing. Now, listen, this is not an attack on him, but different content creators do things different ways. And some of them, I'm trying to put this as politically correct as I can, right? Some of them like attention. Some of them like to pretend that they have all these inside sources and that they know all kinds of conspiracy secret stuff. And, he stems from XRP's community. So, and I love XRP, don't get me wrong, but there are so many people, content creators in the XRP community that are like that, right? And they shill things like $10,000 XRP. Trust me, I know someone at BlackRock or whatever the case might be, right? He's just one of those types, right? Like kind of like BitBoy in a way, It's like his channel is run more about his ego than it is about helping anybody, so to speak, I guess. It's not an attack, again. It's just different people run channels for different reasons, I suppose. And, when someone says... What put me on this thought trajectory was when he said, I was watching Onyx Coin a year ago, but I couldn't say anything, so I had to have somebody test it out on a different channel for secret reasons, right? To see how successful it would be. That is the type of thing my 5-year-old son would say when I catch him doing something he shouldn't and he wants to lie to me. He would say something ridiculous like that. Like, I couldn't talk about it a year ago for secret reasons, so I tested it on someone else's YouTube channel to see how popular it was. That doesn't make any sense, right? So, not to go on a rant or anything about it, but that kind of put me down that thought process when it comes to him. Is just like, whatever, he's good for the project and stuff. What really stuck in a thorn in my craw about him was that, again, this was the first channel talking about XCN long time ago. You guys know that. But for him to not acknowledge any of the other channels that came along before him and just basically say that he was the first one talking about it and he found this project and brought it to everybody, that was kind of a slap in the face to all the other content creators who started talking about it to their communities before him. And then to cover it up by saying, I just couldn't tell you about it for secret reasons. That upset me. Anyway, I've gone too far into a rant on it already. Tem, welcome to the community, my friend. Welcome aboard. It's awesome to have you, man. It's awesome to have you. Could we take a look at PNG tokenomics? Look phenomenal. Yeah, of course we can look at PNG, man. Let's have a look at PNG. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, let's look at PNG. Let me just pull it up. Uno momento, por favor. So yeah, I want to know what you guys think in the chat though about a token burn. That would be awesome. PNG. You know what? People have been asking me about PNG for quite some time now, if I'm being honest. I don't hold any of it, but I have looked at it before. It's got about 50% of the supply in circulation, so the tokenomics are not terrible. It's only got 538 million tokens. That's fantastic. Only got a $53.8 million market cap, so I'm digging that. It's on AVAX, another plus, right? So it's a DEX over on AVAX. If you're wondering what it is, it's a decentralized exchange over on over on AVAX. All-time high was $18.85. Wow. That was in the last bull run, so it's good. It performed well in the last bull run. Oh, look at that, guys. If you're in the States, you can get it on Coinbase, which means you can get it on Coinbase Wallet, MEXC. You can get it on their own exchange, their DeFi exchange on AVAX. You can probably use Pangolin in the States, can't you? Since it's a DEX, you probably could. So yeah, it just needs, you know what? This project really needs to start soaring. It needs a couple more centralized exchange listings so we can get a little bit more liquidity flowing through it, a little bit more people interested in it. This is a project, in my opinion, I would probably throw some money into. I'd probably drop some. Yeah, I would drop a medium-sized bag of it just to see what it does. I like the tokenomics. I like the AVAX ecosystem. Let's go look at the chart, though. We got to see what the chart says, right? Yeah, we've been in kind of a range for quite some time here. Look at that big spike up back in February. Holy smokes. February of last year, it had a nice run to the upside. But we've been kind of in a downward spiral here ever since. Right? We're just kind of ping-ponging here. Whip down a little bit there. Yeah. Not bad. Looks like it could have a little bit more time to ping pong inside of here. Just kind of looking at something here. Yeah. I mean, it wouldn't be a terrible time to dollar cost average, to be honest. This is something, in my opinion, that I would probably dollar cost average into. It is. Not financial advice, obviously, right? Michael, goal reached again. Did we reach the goal? Heinz says, smash that like button. Yes, smash the like button, guys. Absolutely. I appreciate you guys. I love when you guys ask me to look at these projects too, you know, because sometimes you guys find some really, really good ones. Like this one here. I know I've looked at it multiple times before, but good call. Definitely a good call. Where are we here? Where are we? I'm going to have to just kind of pick a random spot. That was a long hour. Yeah. Sorry, man. Sorry. I was exhausted after that live stream. I was exhausted. I didn't sleep good last night. Troy, I love this channel. Hey, we love having you here, man. We love you too, man. We love you too. James in the house. Holy crap. Yes, sir. I am Ruts. What's going on, man? Let's go back over to the XCN chart because it's pushing up again. Just continuing to put in these local highs. Look at this, guys. I love it. Welcome, Rob. Welcome. Yes, welcome aboard. Welcome all of you guys. So many new subscribers. So many new Patreon members, guys. Love having this, man. Love seeing this community grow. And you know what I really, really love is seeing all of the people with experience, the veterans in crypto, really, really stepping in and helping out over on the Patreon, giving advice, giving tips, giving guidance to newer people. Like I said, Jetpack leading the way. There's a lot of you guys, man, and I appreciate all of you guys. I know the entire community does. You guys are the superstars, man. New OIP suggests talk about your opinion on it. Yeah, I just did. It's the burn, right? Is that what you're talking about, the burn? I'm down for the burn, man. I'm down for the burn. XCN got the shake bull market. Yeah, no kidding. Hey, John, what's with the token burn proposal? Less tokens equals higher value for the coins, right? It looks like they're trying to get back to that all-time high, man. Like, really think about all the work they put in here, guys. Like the chain being able to get 75% off there, and the interest in staking, trying to build out the TVL and the ecosystem. Now they're talking about token burns and stuff. Guys, something big is coming here, right? And it seems to be largely centered around the value of the token, right? They seem to have some momentum here, and they want to keep it, right? Because what they're doing is they're incentivizing like crazy. 75% off on chain.com, right? Even making Justin Sun stake his billion tokens for 2 years, right? It all seems to be centered around building out the TVL of the ecosystem, which boosts the value of the token, combined with now burning and destroying tokens, also contributes to the increased value of the tokens in your wallet. So they're showing a lot of interest in increasing the value of your XCN, and it makes you wonder what their motivations are. Personally, I don't care that much, just out of curiosity, because if they want to pump my bags, by all means, man, by all means. Sorry, my tea was getting cold. Crimson Crypto in the house, working towards 400K. My man, that's what I like to hear, man. WF Capital's in the house. Beast Mode, yeah, I got you. Is Fetch AI a buy here? Fetch AI is what was that, like a $3 billion market cap now? Where is it? FET is $3.15 billion market cap. $1.20. I mean, I think that the momentum behind that project kind of stalled out a little bit. It could still do well, but I mean, volume for a project with a $3.15 billion market cap, and the volume is only 1.42 million. That's low volume. I probably wouldn't buy it right now. And I'm being completely honest with you here, guys. If you're on the Patreon, you know this, but I've been doing a lot of heavy buying lately, right, into altcoins. And like, if over on the Patreon and the member side here, you get my buy orders and stuff like that, my buy alerts, right? What I would say about that is that Fetch AI, is one of the projects that I was looking at and considering buying like 2 days ago, yesterday or the day before. And I ended up deciding against it. I don't know if that helps you make your decision or not, but I ended up deciding against it. Having such a large market cap, combined with no volume, I don't know. It just didn't sit right with me. So I'm sure it will do well. But blessed. Absolutely, guys. We're all blessed. Still melting my face, XCN. That's nothing left. Man, I just got my plastic surgery and it's melting my face again. We might be seeing 3 cents this year, man. 30 cents this year. Yeah, I think we could, man. I think we could. Brother, take a look at XCN and Miria on Uniswap. The wicks yesterday are insane. Are they insane? Are they going nuts? Are they going absolutely crazy? I don't have the chart on Uniswap up, so you got in at 2014. Nice, yeah. I did most of my buying. I think my entry price was like 2012. I think for Onyx coin. A lot of you guys were following me in over on the Patreon around 2012, and it's funny. Because if we go back on the chart, guys, right? Let's go look at, I want to show you something here. Let's bring this down, bring it down, bring it down. Actually, got to bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. So look at this, all of this boring action here, guys. All through here, guys. Over on the Patreon, we were accumulating all of this. And everyone was like, man, I was getting messages from people. And you guys know who you are over on the Patreon. People were like, Rob, I don't know, man. Should I sell my XCN? It just feels like it's not doing anything. And it's okay to lose faith. It's okay to have your faith tested and stuff like that, right? Because look at the price down here. 2013, 2001. We were accumulating all down here, guys. This is why you want to be on the Patreon. Because I helped a lot of you guys stay strong and hold your bags. And now, look what's happening to your, like, we've made millionaires and 100,000aires over there, guys. Right? That's what we do, baby. That's what we do. We were buying all of that. And now look where we are. Started from the bottom. Now we're here. Right? I know I'm not the best singer in the world, but started from the bottom. Now my whole team's here. Oh, man. Michael and Jamie, welcome over to the member side, my friends. Awesome to have you. Thank you so much for the support. Thanks for having Max on the live today. That was so cool. He got me into JASMY Quant and others, which led me to you. Keep it rolling. But please do not do what... No, I'll never do that. I'll never do that. Funny story. Yes, Max has become... I met Max through doing this, right? But Max has become one of, he's become a really good friend of mine. He really has, like, personally outside of YouTube, right? And what I would say is that, if you guys enjoy my channel and what I bring to my channel, a lot of that is because in the early days of my channel, and I've never talked about this before, but in the early days of my channel, Max helped me a lot. Gave me a lot of tips, a lot of guidance, a lot of stuff like that. And he didn't have to. He didn't have to. He did it out of the kindness. That's why I always say about Max, he is one of the most sincere guys I've met in crypto, full stop. He's got a good heart. He's a good man. And he will never lead his followers astray. I firmly believe that. He helped me and he didn't have to. So that's what I would say about that. I have nothing but the utmost respect for Max. Absolutely. That is literally the reason I moved to you and not him. Thanks for the explanation. So as Peep said today, we need like a Slack, not Discord, which is data issues. I love the community, like and sub. Yes. And hey, we love having you here, man. Absolutely. Especially coming over from Max's channel, because his community is phenomenal as well, like phenomenal. So absolutely. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for your generosity. Thank you for your super chats, guys. You guys are just, next level. You guys are next level as a community. You really, really are, man. It's not just here. It's like you said, the Discord, but the community over there for the most part, the Patreon, everyone's helping everybody. There's no toxicity. No one's toxic. No one's, everyone's wanting everyone else to win. You guys are next level in that way. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. You guys really are, right? And that's why we win on projects like XCN, guys, right? Take a look at XCN and Mirror. Okay, so I read that already. Got my change purse packed. Nice. That's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Do you think XCN can get to 5 to 6 cents today? I mean, I think that there's some resistance around that 3 cents. What are we here? Right here, 3 cents 4. You're probably going to find some resistance levels between 3 cent 4 and about 4 cents. So I think there's going to be a lot of profit taking in that area between where we are now and 5 cents. There's going to be a lot of profit taking, right? So do I think it's possible? Yeah, we might do something like this, right? We might do something like this again, build up another level of consolidation for a week. Maybe apparently here we only did it for 3 days and then we blast it off again. So we might do something again. We might just set up another bull pennant and go again. But by the end of today, I don't think so. But by the end of the month, yeah, I think we could. I do think we could. You the man, Rob. Don't argue with me about that. You're the man. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you, man. I won't argue with you. You look pretty jacked in that picture. Free pick, what's up, man? Free pick, free pike. Just joined Patreon today. Nice. We're gonna be live over there this evening, guys. Probably around 9:30 p.m. Central. We're gonna do a live over on the Patreon. It's gonna be a fantastic time. We didn't get to one this afternoon because we had the extra live stream with Jesse and Max, the JASMY roundtable. So hopefully you guys, but we will be live over on the Patreon tonight. And guys, like I said, just so you guys know, again, I got to put that warning out there. I am dropping another gem over there in a couple of days next week, right? And I'm excited about this one. I'm excited about all of them, but this one too. Right. Chris just became a Patreon member. Nice. Ready for them gains. That's what I like to hear, man. That's what it is, guys. It's just, we find these gems, we accumulate, and then we wait for blast off. We have patience, and it pays off, man. It pays off. XCN's still running. I'm so tempted to convert all my 500K XCN to JASMY. I mean, you got to do what you got to do, man, right? I can't tell you what to do with your money, Angelo, but do you feel that XCN has done its run? I know that JASMY is getting ready to make a break as well, right? Make no mistake about that. That's why I dropped like 10 G's in there the day before yesterday because I see what's about to happen on JASMY, right? So, Rob, what's your prediction for Swift? I could see Swift reaching 30 to 40 cents, honestly, man, but I'll be out well before that, though. Swap XCN for Swift. I mean, logically, it makes sense, right? Again, I see what it depends on how much profit you're in on XCN. It makes sense because Swift is corrected. Swift's having a correction right now, and Onyx coin's pumping. So, I mean, rolling profits into a one that's down that's going to do good. It makes sense, right? But it depends on your current, your personal portfolio, right? Step by step, baby. Absolutely. Between watching you for 1.5 years, I've been watching you for 1.5 years, so thank you for all of your knowledge you provide. Hey, my pleasure, man. And you know what? Thank you for sticking with me for over 1.5 years, man. I appreciate that. William, the Justin Sun BS will end up making XCN very big. Yeah, exactly. If it ends up pumping our bags to the moon, so be it, right? That's the way we kind of got to look at it. So be it. We'll let Justin Sun pump our bags. That's fine. We'll cry ourselves to sleep on our big bags of money, right? So, JASMY, what's going on? Any ideas? Yeah, like I said, I've been speculating on price suppression. Like I said, I did a video the other day pointing out the fact that the 5th largest JASMY wallet between January 8th and about 3 days ago purchased and brought over 1 billion tokens off of the exchanges and into their wallet. 1 billion, right? Coins. So how is that? And in the last month and a half or 5 weeks-ish, 6 weeks, maybe 7 weeks, the amount of JASMY on exchange reserves went from like 13.5 billion to right now it's down to like 10.9 billion. How does that happen? How does that kind of buying pressure happen, but the project's value stays down? That doesn't make any sense unless the price is being artificially suppressed so that it can be bought at these low levels. That's my speculation on it. How high could XRP realistically go? I mean, on the high end, I could see it reaching. I mean, in the bear market, I was saying like $7 to $13 or something. But now, where we are, I mean, $6 or $7 I could see something like that. XCN up to 3 cents. Let's go, crypto fam. Thank you, Rob Father, for all your info. Hey, my pleasure. Thank you for being a part of the family. What do we got here? Sorry for the last super meant. Don't do that Eco Ninja. What he does. Max is amazing. And you do a Slack, not Discord. Data security concerns. I am in IT. Oh, nice. Yes. Hey, absolutely, man. Absolutely. I got you. I appreciate you too, man. I appreciate you watching out for. Keep watching out. New here. Thanks for this. God bless. God bless you too, my friend. God bless you too. XCN $1 billion market cap. Yes, we are, man. We are officially at a $1.06 billion market cap. You love to see it. Crypto Goddess, welcome. Profits taken. New kitchen coming. Still enough there for 10x. Nice. There you go, man. Happy wife, happy life, right? That's what we say. You know what I'm really happy is that like I said yesterday, 3 people told me that they were able to buy brand new vehicles because of this play. For them, for their wives, for their families. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. In this economy, amazing. GT, you're a good Rob. You're a good man, Rob. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you too, man. Greg from Australia, love your channel. Thanks so much for your honesty and insight. Hey, no problem, man. I'm always just going to be me. You know what I'm saying? Heinz, what's going on, buddy? My man. Studio Tech, what's up? Over $1 billion market cap. Let's go. Yes. Rob, you are still sticking on the original XCN exit strategy. Yes, I am right now. I'm still sticking to my guns for now. But again, it's only like 10% at a time, and we're freaking literally putting in yet another. We're breaking out again. We're climbing, guys. We're putting in a new local high. Look at this, 3 cents 4.5. It's the crypto future live stream pump effect, guys. What can I say, right? What can I say? We're pumping it, making it happen, Cap. Beebs, Swift still has a smaller market cap, plenty of room. Yes, Beebs, absolutely, man. Swift, one of my top bags, man. One of my top bags, absolutely. We just closed the daily candle up here. I didn't even realize it was 6 p.m. Central. Holy smokes. We just closed the daily candle at 3 cents 4.8. Are you kidding me? Looks like we're going higher, man. Looks like we're going higher. Let's freaking go. Hey guys, is it a good time to get an entry? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a good entry point in Swift right now, in my opinion. See, people are taking profits now. Let's buy it up. Let's buy up those profits. What about JASMY? JASMY, I just spoke about JASMY. JASMY is being artificially suppressed right now, so I personally am taking advantage of the situation, and I am stocking up on as much as I can while it's being suppressed, right? Ready for the daily goes? Yeah, I didn't even realize it, Michael. Good call, man. Rob, you ain't catching up on this chat today. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. You caught that, eh? I'm trying desperately here to catch up. You guys are crazy. But it's a good thing, though. It's a good thing, man. You guys are awesome. All right, where were we here? I'm going to catch up on this chat, guys. I'm determined. Ty, what's up, buddy? Happy weekend to you. I'm speechless with what XCN is doing right now. Yes, absolutely, man. It is melting faces. Profits are in. I love seeing it, guys. I love seeing it. Everybody's happy. You know what? Honestly, guys, after, like 2.5 years of bear market and, having people upset and worried and scared and, impatient and angry and all this stuff, it's so great to see everybody so happy and excited now, right? And I've told you guys for 2.5 years, I said to you guys through the bear market, guys, it's going to get better. Just be patient. And here you guys are. right? You did it. You did it. Right? We done came up, mama. We're going to WrestleMania. That's what's happening. Rob, have you looked into spell? Spell tokens got to come up every stream, right? Yes. I don't know if you're joking or not, viewer. So I'll give you a serious answer. We have a little bit of an inside joke here on the channel because every stream for like 2 years, someone asks about spell token, right? But what I will say is that I like spell token, but I will not buy it. And you guys know my reasons why. The cliff notes on it, there's a bill that's going to get passed with this new administration. It's going to have a ban on algorithmic stablecoins. Spell tokens ecosystem depends on algorithmic stablecoins. Therefore, Spell's going to have to either leave the United States and not be used there or get rid of the algorithmic stablecoin in their ecosystem. Thank you, Terra Luna Classic. So that's my take, my cliff note take on XCN. Or XCN, sorry, on spell token. So, yeah, I like to try to protect you guys from those kinds of things because not everybody knows about that kind of stuff that's coming. And then if you end up getting wrecked because of it and you didn't see it coming, it's very, very frustrating. You know what I mean? So it's like out of nowhere, you're holding this good project and you're excited about its potential, and then all of a sudden, Cynthia Lummis slaps you in the face and says, "Guess what? Banned." Right? Right. Saw your video for the first time a week ago. Just joined Patreon 5 minutes ago. Already had XCN. Nice, Peter. Welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome aboard, DJ. Waiting for Jasmy to wake up. Oh, it's going to. I'm accumulating in the meantime, man. I am accumulating in the meantime. What up, crypto peeps? David's in the house. Jackie, there's Jackie. Crazy how fast XCN keeps moving. Should we be worried? Worried about being rich? Yeah. I mean, what's happening now is we're probably starting to get good press now because even more good press because of Justin's son being a part of it, right? So, Mary, how you doing, dear? Good to see you. Good to see you. Roman, when should we take profits? Because took a big risk just an hour ago and don't really know when to take profits. I mean, if you feel your risk is high, then it wouldn't be a bad time to take profits, my friend. It's had a fantastic day. If you want to remove risk from the table, then there's nothing wrong with that. No one ever went broke doing that, brother. What's the difference between the Patreons? The Patreon, you can schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs over there. And we also do live group video. We do live group video calls over there twice a day as well. So you get to join those. You get to book one-on-one coaching AMAs if you need them. We have a unique live chat over there that is always popping off. So yeah, and there's so many like veterans over there and stuff like that that are willing to help out people and all that kind of stuff as well. So it's definitely worth it over there. If you redistribute, you have to pay taxes on that, right? Yes. Anything you take profits on is a taxable event. But you have to weigh whether you want to pay taxes on something with your risk is running high that's going to drop again, right? If you ride it out and don't take profits to save on taxes and then it crashes back down, I mean, what the hell's the point in that, right? Mohammed, what's up, buddy? If we have a market crash after the FOMC, how far down could we see XCN go? Is it safe enough with the consolidation we built? Well, I mean, if right now we kind of tried to build a little bit of support right here, so maybe down here, depending on how high we go today, we'll have to see. Maybe down to this level here. I couldn't see us falling too much further than this. Even that would be kind of far. Maybe not even that far, right? Depending on how violently Bitcoin crashes. Same question here. Newbies need some advice on when to take partial profits. What I would say to that, James, is that we help everybody. That's one of the things we do on the Patreon is we help people with exit strategies and knowing when they should be taking profits and stuff. That's part of what we do as a community over there. So definitely, if you need help with that kind of stuff, get over to the Patreon, guys. The link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. You can get the help that you need over there. Just got in today. Nice. And you're already up, man. Congratulations. Alfredo, I missed the Toshi run up. What's a good price to get into? Oh, man. Honestly, man, I have no idea on Toshi. I mean, I looked at it the other day. Someone asked me to look at it yesterday, I think. And I honestly, man, I mean, it might continue to run a little bit, but like it's up another 70% today, up 172% on the week. What I would say about Toshi, honestly, man, oh, actually, you know what? It's only got a $424 million market cap. You know what? It's catching momentum right now. It might not be a bad idea to DCA in right now. It could go significantly higher. But what I would say to that, though, is don't go crazy because it is up 70.1% on the day and 600% on the month. So maybe tread with caution is what I would say. What is the coin's discovery stage? For XCN, you mean? XCN's price discovery would be a little over 18 cents, technically. At this point, I can keep your super chats going. I appreciate that. That would be awesome. We want you to go 1K%. Do not do the Eco Ninja BS. I meant need Slack. Also, like he needs Slack. I need to also need Cressus and not like a scammer. Like you mean I need to cut him some slack? Is that what you mean? Do you feel I was a little bit harsh on him? Let me know if that's fair. That's fair if you feel I was hard on him, you know. Where did we go here? Where did we go? I lost my spot. I'll find it. Just bear with me, guys. I don't want to skip out on a bunch of people's chats, so. Sorry, guys. Kind of lost my spot. I'll just pick a place. I'll just pick a spot here. We're going to pick... Sorry if I missed your chat, your question, whatever. Just send it in again because I lost my spot there. Johnny, my guy, the #1 member of the channel. You know it. Drum roll for the OG, Johnny, my man, the man with the plan. The first one ever to become a member on the channel. The intro stays, my friend. That is what Eco does. I cannot stand that. I'm a little confused. What is it that he does? Can you explain it to me? Like which part are you talking about that you can't stand specifically? XCN to Mars, absolutely. Are you going to be around for the next year and bull run? Yeah, I'm going to be around for the next. I will be here for the next bull run. Everyone keeps asking me that. I'm not leaving, guys. Don't worry. We have a plan over on the Patreon, and what we're going to be doing in the bear market is we're going to help all the members of the Patreon build fresh portfolios from the start, from the bottom, and it's going to be phenomenal, guys. I'm super excited about it, so that people can see what it's like to have like a portfolio start fresh from the bottom and just be like, see how high it can actually go with the work being put in a full cycle, right? What do you think of Flare? I love Flare. Suku, I am bullish on Suku. I'm not in love with the tokenomics of Suku, though, right? That's the only thing that I don't like. I like the project, but yeah, like there's 1.5 billion tokens, and there's only 388 million in circulation, right? I don't like the tokenomics of it, but I do like the project. I think it will do fine. It all depends on their token unlocks and stuff like that, right? How's that going to play out? Guys, if you want Rob to look at your altcoins, put it in the goals, and he will dive in. Yes, exactly, Shane. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Only 4 likes. Smash it. We only have 4 likes. What? Oh, we have 130 likes. 130 likes. We're doing okay. We're doing okay, brother. But yeah, smash the like, though, guys. Definitely smash the like and subscribe to the channel. Help the channel grow. Smash it. You think JASMY's going back to 2-cent level to consolidate? I don't know, man. I don't think so. At this point, it's not looking like it. I sold my JASMY for XCN a week ago. I hope you didn't sell in the red. I bought XCN at 2025. Best investment I've made during this bull run. I need Helium Mobile to pump, though. Yeah, Helium Mobile will have its time. It will have its time. Where's XCN going now, do you think? I think it might consolidate close to where it is now. Possibly. Let's go XCN. Is Theta ever going to move? I mean, Theta is... It will have its pump just like most altcoins, but I don't think it really has much momentum in this bull run, though. Am I a real member now? You are. Triple J, hey Rob, any thoughts on layer 3? I'd have to look deeper into it if I'm being honest. Amazing coins for you. What's up, man? Checking in from work. Danny's in the house. Love you guys, man. TS, could you let me know what you think about Aurora? Altcoin requests are in the goals tab at the top if you want me to do TA on your altcoins. Joined yesterday. I'm glad I did. Been following you for a while now. Thank you so much, Chase. I appreciate you, man. Bought XCN at 207. Nice entry point, brother. Here's my advice. Don't leave a bunch of BTC in Mt. Gox. That's how old I am. That's good advice, brother. That's good advice. XCN is beautiful. Hey, all. JASMY Quant, you all in XCN killing it. Yes, we love JASMY. We love Quant. We love XCN. Absolutely. Luna Rib, you think JASMY's going to go back to 2-cent? No, I don't. Suku, some of these are repeating. Thank you, Rob. Thank you. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. XCN burning, or did I miss out on that? Yes, they are. We talked about it. They're putting a vote forward, I think, in the a proposal in the DAO for a vote, and you know it's probably going to pass, right? Leapin' Lenny said XCN is going to 37 cents. I could see it. I did a video comparing XRP in the early days in 2017 to XCN now, and the results were probably about a 40-cent XCN. So, Techno God, very tempted to just flip my small bag of 50 Solana into either JASMY since I have none, or Miria, looking at the rate of return, honestly. Well, that's what we're here for, right? Return on investment, man. Absolutely. Do I cancel my YouTube membership then sign up? Yeah, you could. That's what I would advise. TS altcoin requests are in the goals tab at the top of the chat. I put 200 into Shiro Nico. Started good, but not no more. It runs on Ethereum and is being praised by Shiba Inu devs. You think JASMY's going back to 2-cent level to consolidate? I don't think so. I think JASMY is pretty close to its local bottom. Blair, what's going on, man? Holmes, does XCN have two burn wallets? I see dead null wallet. I think so. Yeah, that's what they said. But I'm doing a little bit of a deeper dive into that now that they've announced it. Can we check out VThor token? Like I said, altcoin requests, guys, you got to put your request in the goals tab at the top like everybody else. But what I will tell you, just based on my opinion for VThor, is it's okay. It's been melting faces lately. Right? What is it up right now? VThor. Yeah, it's up 93% on the week. It's down 0.7% on the day. But I mean, here's the thing with VThor is that it's just a gas token in the VeChain ecosystem, right? So why it's going crazy, I have no idea. I'm sure there's a reason, but yeah, I don't know, man. Yes, it is, Techno. Yes, it is. Easy supply and demand. As long as we hold, the price will continue to go up. Yes, exactly. 100% nailed it, man. What else do we have? What's up, Robin Chat? What exchange can I buy Miria on? You can buy Miria. If you're in the States, you can get it on Coinbase Wallet. So there's that. But it's listed on a lot of exchanges. It really is. So it shouldn't be too hard to find. But what I would say, guys, if you need to know where you can buy a token, all you got to do is go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, type in the token, and it'll tell you if you scroll to the bottom of the screen where it's listed. In fact, I'll show you right now because I actually have CoinGecko on my screen. So if you go to CoinGecko here, guys, and you just type in up here whatever token you're looking for, and then you like Suku. We're on Suku right now. If we scroll down to the bottom, it shows you all of the exchanges right here that the exchange or that the crypto is listed on, right? So it's that easy to find out where a token's listed. Amen. Super blessed. Jesus is God. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. You think JASMY, go back? Oh, that's like the fourth time I've read that. What do you think about XLM and HBAR? Love both of those projects. I love them both. Potential Binance listing Thursday? I hope so, man. That would be insane. Insane. I just put 25 quarter of an ETH on Miria on MetaMask wallet. Nice pickup, man. XCN next 6 cents. Miria wicked to a penny. Wick to a penny yesterday. Yeah, I hear that. I think David with a Y told me that a little while ago. XCN wick to 10 cents on Uni. Commented on X. Not sure if it went through, but any word on 13 multiple $1 million buys on Etherscan. Yeah, I did a video actually breaking that down. I did a whole video on it. Check it out on the Crypto Future channel. Was I wrong to sell XCN for Miria? I mean, if you're up big on your XCN, then and Miria's down, then I mean, logic, right? No one ever went broke doing that. Yes, you was, pal. Yes, you was. Got 6 million XCN. Nice. Congratulations, man. 2011, I got in, but only a small investor. Hey, that's a good entry point, though, man. That's a good entry point. That's what she said. You think Jasmy's going back to that's like the 5th time I've read that now. Steve, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Tim's in the house, new to the channel, been trading XCN, Swift, and LCX lately, looking for knowledge. Tim, get your butt over to the Patreon, my friend. I'm dropping a new gem over there next couple of days, next week, and it's going to move. It's going to move just like Onyx Coin and all of our other picks, man. So the link to the Patreon's in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. Get over there, man. Don't miss the boat. And we got a lot of veterans over there also that are really helpful. They're really helpful. And by the way, like I said, this evening, guys, around 9:30 p.m. Central, we will be live over on the Patreon as well. Anthony, what's up, buddy? Dumb Money, there he is. There's my guy. Where you been, man? Where you been, brother? Just riding the XCN train, Rob. Haven't reached my destination quite yet. We'll get you there, brother. We will get you there. And the beers are on you when we do. Just started to go down this rabbit hole. Nice. You're in for a splendid journey, my friend. 3XX people watching, make sure you hit the like and sub. Yes, absolutely. Lord of the Run, please hit the like and subscribe. You won't regret it. Absolutely. You guys are racing. I like it. I like it, guys. Rob, I believe you in both projects, XCN and JASMY. I keep buying even the hard times, but we didn't give up. Yes, exactly. And look at you now. Look at you now. Right now, I'm still buying JASMY at this level, guys. Can't help it. It can't be helped, right? I know what's coming in the very, very near future here for JASMY. So I'm going to keep on keeping on, man. Keep on keeping on. Your next level. Your next level. No, your next level. We're holding strong. What do we got here? We got a couple more super stickers here. Michael. All sorted Patreon member. Nice. My man. Welcome aboard, man. Make sure you're there for the live tonight. A2DG, thoughts on all-time high? Are you talking about the all-time high for XCN? If you're talking about the all-time high for XCN, let's zoom out on the XCN chart here and have a look. Right? So if we zoom out, now here's the thing about the all-time high, guys. Like, look at that. Look at this straight up, eh? That's awesome. So here's the thing. When you look at this chart and you see this, you have to understand that this is where the project launched in the bull run. This was the last bull run. So the price, the liquidity was so high, right? Peak of the bull run, just like that. They launched right here. Everybody bought it. Boom. It launched up. And then this here, all of this here, that's bear market. So when people look at the chart and they're like, oh yeah, but look at the chart. That's a bear market. The whole market did this at that time. The whole market. All the altcoins crashed 95 to 99% in a bear market, right? So this is the all-time high up here. It's the all-time high, but it's not the all-time high, if that makes sense, right? For me, where the all-time high is going to be is where's it going to get to organically on its own here, not being launched in a bull run, right? So technically, this here is Onyx Coin's first real bull run. So to say that this is the all-time high, yes, it is, but for me, it isn't, right? For me, right now, organically looking at it, we're at all-time highs right now, in my opinion, right? So that's kind of how I'm viewing it. Whenever a project launches in a bull market, it never gives you accurate potential of where it could go, right? Sorry, meant to say don't be Echo Ninja with the leading. Keep doing you. Oh, I see what you're saying. You need a Slack, not Discord. Last promo, the Patreon Max is amazing. Sell courses for newbies like me, and 100%. Yeah, Max is absolutely phenomenal. I agree with you, man. I agree with you. Sorry guys, my arm hurts. My arm hurts from working the mouse. My arm's actually broken right now, so it's hard to navigate it sometimes. H Barbarina in the house with the super chat. Got on XCN at 309 and finally got profits, rolled profits, and bought 10 mil Miria and 1 mil JASMY, all because of you, man. Love you, man. Hey, I love you too, brother. I love you too. I love this whole community, guys. You guys are the bee's knees. We're holding strong at 3 cents. Yes, we are, man. Yes, we are. Oh wow, we only need one more super chat to reach the goal again. Holy smokes, you guys are crazy today. I dig it though. I dig it. All right, where are we at here? You think Jasmy's going back to no? That's like the 6th time. Why don't that keep popping up? I don't even have Binance list. Yes, we don't. Wait, it's coming, man. It's coming. Do I sell my XCN? I mean, I don't know how much you're up. I don't know what your profits are like. I don't know what your risk tolerance is. I don't know any of that stuff, right? So I personally believe that we're going to see a Binance listing coming soon. So I'm not going to be taking profits and losing out on that pump, right? That potential pump. I wish I found your channel community sooner. Hey, you're here now, Frank. That's all that matters, brother, is that you're here now. You're up 400. I mean, your risk is pretty low then. So me personally, I probably hold, right? Please, guys, I need answers. Like I said, I would probably hold. Always great alpha in your lives. To you, $1 million would DCA in AMP. Old project. AMP's a good project. AMP kind of got attacked by the SEC there, but now that there's a new regime in the SEC, I think it's open season on projects like AMP. I think AMP will do fine. So, yeah, AMP's a good project. AMP did crazy good in the last bull run. Crazy good. Love this crypto community. Absolutely, man. Best community in crypto, guys. Sell XCN now, we'll cry later. Yep. I don't even belong to another community. This is the best one, period. I've been in the space for 4 years. This channel is true class. Thank you, William. I appreciate you, brother. What do you think about Toshi running? I already gave my opinion on Toshi. Like I said, I think that if you're going to buy Toshi, the market cap's still fairly small, so it could go significantly higher if it continues with its momentum. But if you're going to get it, I'd probably dollar cost average. I probably wouldn't ape in heavy amounts when it's up like 71% on the day. I regret selling some of my XCN and put it on Swift. Hey, don't ever do that to yourself, man. Hindsight. Listen, you took profits. If you took profits and put it into something that's down right now that's going to pump, you won. You won that trade, so don't even stress about it, man. Should we be buying Swift still? I am. If that does that, I don't know if that answers your question, but I am. Desert Guy, first time on the Patreon, and that's the first thing I noticed is how everyone was helpful and nice. Yes, absolutely, man. It is a phenomenal, helpful community over there. 100%. 100%. You know, I really got to say that, you know, the veterans over there, guys like, again, guys like Jetpack, right? Phenomenal. T-Mobile, Dumb Money. You guys are awesome, man, right? Leaders in the community, pillars in the community. No time for regrets. Swift is a good one. Good buy zone right now. Absolutely, it's a good buy right now. All tokens will run. Yep. Jazzy, is $1,500 a good investment for Miria as a first-time Miria investor? Yeah, I think that Miria is pretty close to its local bottom. I don't think it's going much lower at all than where it is now. So yeah, I think Miria is a good accumulation price right now, personally. Dumb Money, Rob, if we can't trust you, then we'd have no future. You are the alpha. Hey, man. That's why they call me future, brother, right? In defense of the Economic Ninja, he said that there were not many content creators talking about XCN before he turned people onto it. Nowhere did he say that he was the first. Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. I won't argue that. Swift's been buying since 2033, man. It's still early for Swift. Yes, absolutely. Swift's going to do the same thing that Onyx Coin's doing, guys, and people are going to be like, what the hell happened? How did I make so much money here, man? Right? It's going to be crazy, man. It's going to be crazy. I'm telling you, Mike, okay? Yes. Physically Fit. What's up, man? Hey, Rob. I was wondering how I can swap from Coinbase wallet back to Coinbase. I know you don't have, but I would like to know if you have an idea. To swap from Coinbase wallet back to Coinbase. Yeah, I don't use Coinbase wallet because I'm in Canada. So what I would say is Physically Fit, join the group video call, the live call over on the Patreon tonight around 9:30 Central. And I will see if Jetpack's there. Somebody will know, but if Jetpack's there, I'll ask him. We'll see if we can get you an answer to that, man. So make sure you're in the group video call tonight over there. I know you're over there, so just make sure that you join the call. And if you miss it, if you can't be there, you know I record them, so you can just watch the replay later, right? I buy 30K. Nice. XCN is only getting started. Yes, absolutely. Selling to make you regret. Yeah, exactly. Rob's the best hidden gem you will find in crypto. Thank you, Lord of the Realm. I appreciate you, man. Ready for the gem now? Yeah, it's going to come next week, man. I'm dropping that gem next week. You definitely want to be there for that. It's going to be a good one. I'm still reading up a couple more things on it, but I'm jacked up. I'm excited about it. I'm excited to start accumulating it. It's going to be fantastic, man. What else do we have? Is there a Discord for members? If so, where can I find the link? No, there's a chat over on the Patreon that we do for the members. It's like Discord. It's just a general chat, right? So yeah, you can get in over there. The link to the Patreon is in the chat right now. It's always buzzing, too. It's always buzzing because we got hundreds and hundreds of people over there. I'll hold. I'm up 400 on it right now. Nice. Just hodl. Yep. Anyone hold Toshi? I don't hold it, but you know, I'm starting to think I should drop a couple $100 into it at some point here because everyone keeps asking about it. But it is up right now. Well, it's pulling back a little bit. It's up 67.6% now on the day. But again, I noticed about it is that the market cap is reasonably low still. It's only got $428 million market cap, and we know how these meme coins can really, really run crazy in terms of market cap, right? By H Bar and both good projects. How do I join the Patreon? Mike, the link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments, and it's in the description of the video. So check it out. Power need more powder. Powder, yes. XCN nowhere near done. Absolutely. Jeff, he never said that he knew about XCN. Yeah, we already covered that. Rob, dropping another gem, man. My dry powder's gonna run. Yeah. You think Jasmy's gonna go back? Oh my God, again? You just typed it 3 times in a row. How many times do I have to answer that question? Shane says, Mike, click the link in the top of the chat. Yep, that'll get you over to the Patreon. And the link is literally, I literally shared it in the chat as well. So it's pretty easy to find if you want to join us over there for sure. So what's your exit target for Swift? Feel free to respond on the Patreon. I'm on your. Well, I mean, most people know my targets for Swift. I think it could go 30 to 40 cents, to be honest with you. But I would ask me over on the Patreon, and I will tell you where I plan on exiting it. That's a different story, right? If you want to know my exit price point, ask me over there, and I'll let you know. Strawberry Dragons. I don't have Jasmy. Is it too late to move my profits from XCN? No, Jasmy's a great buy opportunity right now. Jasmy is a great DCA opportunity right now. It's definitely not too late. What do you think we'll go to tonight? Well, we seem to be consolidating a little bit right now, but maybe when maybe when the other side of the planet wakes up there shortly, right? Maybe when the Asian countries wake up, maybe we'll start to see more buying pressure come in, right? Maybe the FOMO is real, brother. David just joined Patreon. Happy to have found you. Hey, it's awesome to have you over there, David. Welcome aboard, my friend. Just saw an article saying XCN could top out at $1.25. Could you imagine? Could you imagine $1.25? Holy crap, man. That's like, guys, like what I would ask you if it got to that level is where are we all going to park our private jets? Right? Anything, not trying to spam. Like I said, TS, I don't know anything about it, but if you want me to look at your project or you want TA on it, there's a tab at the top of the chat. It says goals, and that's where we encourage people to put their altcoin requests. What happened to Jasmy? Also, let's go with XCN. Up 16K. Nice. Jasmy's being artificially suppressed right now, in my opinion. So that's what I think is happening with Jasmy right now. After this run, Troom's going to sign up to Rob's Patreon. Yes, that's what I like to hear, man. That's what I like to hear. Rob, I don't know. I don't know. This is how the bull run goes, man. See, and that's what I've warned people about. Is I've been saying that for months now to newer people in crypto, like with XCN doing what it's doing right now, guys. I was telling people months ago that, you know, when things start, when you get into a true altcoin season and things start going crazy, it's hard to know what to do, right? It's hard to know when you should be selling, when you should be taking profits, when you should be holding. And I tell people that, and they're like a couple months ago, they're like, oh, I know what I'm going to do, right? And now that XCN's going nuts, I have hundreds of people DMing me constantly and asking me everywhere I turn, should I take profits? What should I do? What should I do? I told you. So imagine, if you will, imagine this, but on your whole portfolio, every project is going absolutely nuts like this, and you don't know when you should be selling, if you're selling too soon. I've been warning people about that for like 6 months, saying get over to the Patreon and we will help you devise an exit strategy so that when things are going nuts like this, you know exactly what you want to do. Right? You have a plan that you can stick to. You're not standing there with your hands here going, shit, what am I supposed to do now? Am I going to sell too soon, right? That's why I said get over to the Patreon. We'll help you out, man. ARP is going, it's going to at least $7 to $10. Nice. What's the outlook for XCN? Hashtag BlackRock token. I honestly, like I said, I did a video last week comparing XCN's current price action, where it's at, its market cap, its price, and tokenomics to XRPs back in 2017. I highly encourage you to watch that video because it's going to blow your mind on where XCN could go in this bull run. Have you heard of XEN? I have heard of XEN. Somebody asked me about it the other day, and I did actually glance at it. I haven't really formulated an opinion on it yet, but I did glance at it. That's XEN crypto, right? Yeah, I know what I didn't like about this. I didn't like the max supply is just like, it's like 174 trillion. Yeah, it's just a crazy amount of tokens. I don't like that. What about AmpCoin? I like AmpCoin. Amp did fantastic in the last bull run. Thank you for being here, running this channel. It is a selfless endeavor. Thanks, Michael. I started this channel in all honesty, guys. Some of you guys have heard this before. Some of you haven't. I started this channel because I've been in crypto for multiple cycles. You guys know that. And I would watch other YouTubers and stuff like that, but I could never find a community that I wanted to be a part of, right? It was always some angle, like the content creator was shilling some project or getting paid to shill it, or, whatever the case might be, right? So I created this channel because since I couldn't find a community that I wanted to be a part of, I said, I'll just build one. I'll just build a community, right? And that's why you get sincerity from me. You get me for who I am, raw and uncut and unedited, because I want a community that I can be a part of, right? And people are not going to want to be a part of a community if you don't even know who I am really, right? So that's why I started this community. And I got to be honest with you guys, after over 2 years running this channel and building this community together with you guys, we've built out the Discord, we've built out the Patreon, right? We've built out this channel, and we're building a second channel right now. And I don't know if you guys notice this, but there's not one toxic person in this whole community. Everyone's always trying to help each other win. Everyone's always trying to, learn and get better and make money. There's no toxic stuff in here. We together have built a phenomenal community here, guys. We really have, that I'm really, really proud of. And I mean that. Just forfeit. I got 10 million XCN 2015. Whoo! That is what I'm talking about. 300K into profit, but I'm struggling to take any profits out. I don't want to lose 100K profit every penny it moves up, because I feel 10 cents is a given. What I would ask you is, what was your initial investment to get 10 million tokens? How much did that cost you? I would ask you that. Let me know what that answer is. How much money did you put into it to get 10 million tokens? Tell me that, and I'll see if I can help you with that. Hey Rob, one of your subscribers mentioned on another channel that you were the first to introduce XCN. I'm learning a lot from you. Became a Patreon member. It's been awesome. Hey, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for joining the Patreon. Thanks for being a part of our community. I hope that I can help you, benefit from, from this market. It's absolutely awesome to have you. Thank you for being here. Just went long on Parcel. Hopefully, nice. XCN's moving again. Is it moving again? It's moving again. A little bit. Danny, I think I'm going to go ahead and take profits to recover my initial investment. There you go, man. There you go. It's never bad. No one ever went broke doing that. Hey, Rob, just joined the channel here as well. Thank you. Hey, Thank you for being here, man. Thanks for being a part of the family, my friend. The Binance listing would be huge. We're doing great without it right now, but yeah, that would send us to another level, guys. Absolutely. Welcome. Yes. XCN is pushing that 3 cent 5 level. Yeah, we're sitting right now 3 cents, 3.7. I am fine with a little bit of consolidation right there, even just for the rest of tonight, or whatever the case might be. XCN's going to pump just the vote you watch. Yeah, I agree. Onyx family is on fire. Absolutely, man. After what I saw AIOZ doing in the bear market, I'm not expecting XCN. I'm not exiting. Yes, exactly. See, experience teaches you not to make those mistakes. Absolutely, man. Turn 5K into 23K in a week. This is crazy. That's how babies are made, man. Nice close. Absolutely. I'm really behind on the chat. I apologize, guys. I apologize if I'm behind on the chat. What's your target for XCN? All-time high I could see happening. Put everything in JASMY. Nice. Hey, Rob, can I ask how someone can artificially suppress the price of JASMY? Do they buy OTC? Well, what they do is they apply selling pressure, right? They apply selling pressure whilst accumulating at the same time. They can short as well. A lot of ways to go about it. You can short something while buying on spot at the exact same time, right? There's things like that. These billionaires, they have their ways of doing this, right? And it's nauseating, it's sickening, it drives me nuts. But that's why, guys, what we have to do is put our pennies where they put their dollars, right? That way, we just follow the money, and then we make money while they're making money, right? Is Toshi done? No, I don't think so. It's still got a reasonably low market cap. Got here late. Do you think XCN can go to $1? No, I don't think it's going to go to $1 in this. Not this bull run. Maybe next bull run. Suku opinion. I don't like the tokenomics on Suku. I like the project. I don't like the tokenomics. Waiting for Helium Mobile and Swift. Yeah, I own both of those, man. I'm waiting with you, brother. I'm waiting with you. Roll some profits into from XCN to JASMY. Not a bad idea. I haven't sold any XCN. It wouldn't be terrible, man. JASMY is a good DCA opportunity right now. It's a good time to roll some profits to Swift. Swift and JASMY are both good entry points or dollar cost average points right now. So yes. Can we check Vitho token? It's pumped. I already looked at that. What about Helium Mobile? Y'all think it's going to move up soon? Yeah, it'll have its time. I don't know if it'll be soon, but it will definitely have its time to shine. Make no mistake about that. I hold a small bag, relatively small bag of Helium Mobile. I think it'll do okay. Otherwise, I wouldn't be holding it, right? Turned $800 into 24K in a week. Yeah, crazy. I think XCM will push up 4 cents tonight. I hope so, man. Not spell token. Any thoughts about Atlas and Casper? I don't know Atlas, but I do like Casper. I was a little bit turned off of the fact that didn't they sell Casper Labs last year? Something like that. They sold it. Someone else took over. I don't know what's going on with the project. They had some sort of a hack as well, I believe, or an exploit. But that hasn't turned me off of the project. I still hold Casper. Again, just another kind of moderate size bag, right? Nothing major. So, sorry. What do we got here? Got to set another goal. You guys are crazy. I love you guys, man. Had to set another goal. You buy a token and hold till it starts going up. We find gems over on the Patreon. We hunt down gems with low caps. That's what we do, like XCN. Listen, when we got into XCN over on the Patreon, the market cap was about $25 million. Okay. Then it worked its way up to about 50 million and hovered there for what felt like forever. And now we're reaping the benefits of that because the market cap now is $1.08 billion, right? So yes, that's what we do over on the Patreon. We hunt these down. And by the way, again, I'm dropping another one next week in a few days over on the Patreon as well. So do not miss out on that. Thanks so much for the live. Can you please talk about Litecoin ETFs? Yeah, I mean, listen, I think a lot of these ETFs are going to start getting approved. Honestly, now that we have a new head of the SEC and a crypto-friendly administration, I do think you're going to start seeing a lot of these spot ETFs starting to get approved. In saying that, some of them might get rejected initially because they have to be tweaked or whatever, but essentially they'll get approved. I mean, Litecoin ETF, I think, will get approved in rather short order because, I mean, it's a fork of Bitcoin, right? So it's not much different in that way from Bitcoin. So you can't really justify not approving a spot ETF on Litecoin. I don't hold any Litecoin, for full transparency. I'm just being honest with you on my opinion on it. So, hey, Rob, do you think this new gem in the couple days you're going to release will be better investment than Swift? I think it'll be the same potential. XCN 5 cents by the end of tomorrow. Oh, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Kendo, what's up, man? Any given moment, Jasmy's going to the moon. Perfect opportunity. Yes, I agree. Williams in the house. When will Miria have its day? Any ideas? Web3 gaming tends to take, tends to be one of the late performing narratives. But when it pops off, it's going to go, man. It is going to go. So do not sleep on that. That's my thoughts on that. Do you see Jasmy hitting 30 cents? Yes, I do. 3x on XCN is in just a week. Yeah, rolled Providence and Swift to big. Nice. We on fire, family. XCN. Over 1 billion market cap. Come on, XCN. Late to the party, man. I'm so behind on the chat, guys. I feel terrible. I'm sorry, guys, if you guys are sitting there waiting forever for me to respond to your chat, but I'm hours behind. I'm scrolling down to the bottom, and it's just like, wow. I don't think I'm going to be able to catch up on the chat, guys. I apologize. I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling to the bottom. You guys are crazy today. I love it. But what I'm going to do, guys, I will come back for another live stream tonight. I'll come back for another live stream tonight so we can get back together and we can watch. We can see if XCN is going to continue higher. I've already been going for an hour and 45 minutes, so I have to take a little bit of a break. So, guys, I hope you guys come back shortly. Listen, get over to the Patreon. I will be live over on the Patreon tonight as well. We're going to be talking these gems that we're looking at. We're going to talk about price targets on XCN and where we think things are going. We're going to be talking about Jasmy price targets. Again, I'm dropping another gem over there next week. So be there for that, guys. Do not miss out. Get in early. And I will do another live stream here tonight on YouTube as well. So make sure you guys are here for that. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Thank you so much, guys. I'm tired. I need to go eat supper. Just give me a little bit to kind of, recharge, and I will be back. So, all right. I love you guys, man. I'll see you in a little bit.